Good morning, class. Again, we are here with our English online class as we are discussing the concept that is direct and indirect speech. Direct and indirect speech. First, in the previous class, we had to know about what is direct speech and what is indirect speech. Direct speech, the actual words spoken by the speaker, actual words, okay, the words which were spoken by the speaker, that comes under the direct speech. And indirect speech, the words may be changed, it is changed, but the meaning of that sentence is same as in the direct speech. Related to this, we had learned 4 key terminology in which we had learned about reporting speech, reported speech, reporting verb, reported verb. This much we have discussed in the previous class. Now today we will go through some rules how to change direct into indirect speech. Okay. So certain few concepts are there. Before we proceeding to the rules, let me clear you. In indirect speech, conjunction, that is that, conjunctions like that, if, whether, okay, to, is used to join the two sentences. This must you have to remember. In indirect speech, जब हम indirect speech में लिखते हैं, हम conjunction use करते हैं. कौन सा conjunction? That या फिर if, whether or to join the two sentences. Right? Let us take an example. Okay. So that it must be clear to you. The teacher said, you have to put it in the inverted commas, you can go. The teacher said, you can go. This is in the form of direct speech. इसमें लिखा हुआ ये direct speech में. Now we can change into indirect speech. The teacher said that. क्या conjunction use किया हमने? That. The teacher said that. You की जगह क्या लिखेंगे? We. We could. Can के place में क्या हो गया? Could go. So certain changes. This changes is there. This one. Certain changes are there when we change into direct to indirect. तो हम कुछ changes करते हैं. तो हमने ये देखा कि हमने conjunctions that use किया है. जब भी हम डायरेक्ट से इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में चेंज करते हैं तो हम कंजंक्शंस कौन से यूज करते हैं? दैट यूज कर सकते हैं, if, whether, to, but we should be remember where we use all these things. अब यहाँ सिंपल सेंटेंस में हमने दैट का यूज किया, हम इसको डिटेल में और पढ़ेंगे. ओके, नाउ लेट्स प्रोसीड टू द रूल्स टू कन्वर्ट direct into indirect speech. Okay. Rules to convert direct speech to indirect speech. Rules to convert. Rules to convert. Stop audio. Who is that? Rules to convert direct to indirect speech. Number 1. changing, rules for changing the pronoun, changing the pronoun. सबसे पहला रूल्स है pronoun चेंज करना. आज हम इसी के बारे में पढ़ेंगे कैसे चेंज करना है pronoun को from direct to indirect speech. How to change the pronouns from direct to indirect speech. So when we are seeing that in first rule, इसके अंदर पहला रूल क्या है? When the pronoun in reporting speech में pronoun first person हो. When the pronoun in reporting speech is in first person, it changes according to the subject of the reporting word. Again, I am telling you, when the pronoun in reporting speech is in first person, I will give an example to clear this one. It changes according to the subject of the reporting. Okay, now let's take an example. Let us take Ram said to me. Ram said to me, I am going. I am going. Ram said to me, I am going. राम ने मुझे कहा मैं जा रहा हूं. राम ने मुझे कहा मैं जा रहा हूं. Now how we can change the pronoun in this sentence? Ram said to me. Already दे रखा है reporting speech, reporting. वैसे ही लिखना. Ram said to me. फिर हम condition क्या लगाएंगे? That. Ram said to me that. I की प्लेस में क्या आ जाएगा? He. वो. He. और am के प्लेस में क्या आएगा? Was. He was going. Ram said to me. First person आया तो उसके हिसाब से यहाँ पे ये यूज हुआ है. Pronoun reporting speech में first person है तो जैसे जैसे सब्जेक्ट में होगा उसके हिसाब से यहाँ चेंज आया. Ram said to me that he was going. Okay. Now next question. That's next rule. Sorry. I in indirect speech becomes he. यहाँ पे क्या हुआ है? I first person. यहाँ पे he क्या बन गया? थर्ड पर्सन. समझ में आया? ही थर्ड पर्सन. दोनों ही सिंगुलर फॉर्म में. both were in singular form. So in indirect speech as subject of reporting verb, Ram is a third person noun, singular noun. Understood? Now let us take another example. You said to Radha. तुमने किससे कहा? राधा से. तुमने राधा से कहा I am studying. मैं पढ़ रहा हूं. कैसे चेंज करेंगे? You said to Radha that. I का यहाँ क्या हो जाएगा? You. He या she नहीं होगा. You were. क्या आएगा? You were studying. इस तरह से आपको ध्यान करके प्रोनाउन चेंज करना है. ऐसा नहीं कि I लिखा है तो he आएगा, she आएगा. You भी आ सकता है. Okay. Now next example we can say that they said to me we are playing. They said to me we are playing. इसे कैसे चेंज करेंगे? They said to me that they were playing. They were playing. So here we is the first person and that is in the plural form. We किस form में है? Plural form में है and it is in the first person. Then it changed into they. We का क्या हो गया था? They. That is third person plural. First वहाँ था, यहाँ third. अब second rules देखते हैं. Rules for changing pronoun. और कैसे change हो सकता है? When the pronoun, हमने पहले पढ़ा कि जब pronoun reporting speech में first person होगा तो उसको subject के हिसाब से change करना है. अब यहाँ पे when the pronoun in reporting speech is in second person, कौन से में है? second person में। पहले first person का हमने पढ़ा कि when the reporting speech is in first person, then we have to change into the subject. But when the pronoun in reporting speech is in second person, it will change according to the object of the reporting verb. वहां पे subject of the reporting verb, अब यहाँ पर ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब। चलिए एक एग्जांपल, I said to Ram, I said to Ram, I said to Ram, you are unworthy, you are unworthy. I said to Ram, you are unworthy. Means मैंने राम से कहा तुम क्या हो? नालायक। Unworthy means नालायक। I said to Ram, you are unworthy. अब इसको हम indirect में कैसे change करेंगे? I said to Ram that you का क्या हो जाएगा? He. You becomes he. He was. R becomes was. He was unworthy. Okay. In this way, you have to change. I said to Ram that हमने conjunction use किया है. I said to Ram that he was unworthy. इस तरह से आपको change करना है. Okay. So here you is in second person. You कौन से person में है? Second person. You is in second person, and here he was in third person singular. He third person singular. So in direct speech, as the object of reported verb is Ram, third person singular noun. So इस तरह से बहुत सारे examples है जहां आप इसे change कर सकते हैं. The teacher said to me, you are a good student. The teacher told me that I was a good. You का I हो गया. This way you can able to change the pronoun while converting direct to indirect speech. Understood? So you can able to do like this. अब third rule is related, change of pronoun. First rule है पढ़ा, when the pronoun in reporting verb is in first person, then you can change according to the subject. Second में पढ़ा हमने, when the pronoun in reporting speech is in second person, you can change it according to object of the reporting verb. Third rule is when the pronoun in reporting speech is in third person, it will remain unchanged. No change at all in the reporting verb. Will not change at all. It will remain like that. Let us see an example. Here, let us take an example. I said to him. I said to him. Yes, you can write instead of said, you can write told also. I said to him. I said to him. मैंने उससे कहा. ध्यान से समझिए. Just listen. मैंने उससे कहा. I said to him. Ram is a fool. समझ में आ रहा? मैंने उससे कहा. कौन फूल है? राम. 1 2 3 3% लिख हो चुके. राम is a fool. ठीक है ना? तो चेंज कैसे करेंगे? I said to him that Ram was a fool. Here no change is there in the third person. Ram is in third person here and it is in singular form. So there is no change at all. No change. Okay. So here I said to him, मैंने उससे कहा कि राम क्या है, बहुत फूल है. तो राम थर्ड पर्सन था. तो राम को हमने ऐसे ही रखा. There is no change at all. No change. So these are certain rules which are related to change the pronoun to convert direct into indirect speech. Okay. So I hope today we have learned how to convert direct into indirect speech in terms of changing the pronoun. The first rule is when the reporting pronoun in reporting speech is in first person, it will change or add it to the subject of the reporting verb. Second, when the pronoun of the reporting speech is in second person, it will change according to the object of the reporting verb. Third, when the pronoun of the reporting speech is in third person, it will remain unchanged of the reporting verb. These are some rules which are related to the pronoun. So be careful when you are changing the pronoun. Convert direct to indirect speech. These are certain rules you have to remember while converting direct to indirect speech. I hope whatever we have discussed today, it must be clear to you.